In this video, we are studying about potential energy. Potential energy is energy stored in an object due to its position. So, energy in an object due to its position. So, when I say energy stored in an object due to its position, so we can take the example of gravitational potential energy. What type of energy? Gravitational potential energy. Okay. Now imagine you have kept a stone on the surface of earth here, and this is the surface of earth. Surface of earth. And this is a stone. So right now the potential energy of this stone is 0 because it's lying on the surface of earth. It cannot go below this, right, until and unless you break this surface. So we are imagining here the surface is flat and the stone cannot go below this. So the potential energy of the object we will consider here 0. Now what you're doing is you are taking this object at a certain height. Let's say you brought the object at point A. So when you are bringing the object from the surface of the earth to a point A, you have to do some work, right? If the stone is quite heavy, you have to apply lot of force to bring it at point A. So when you are bringing it at point A, and imagine if you release this stone from there, it will fall back on the surface of earth. So when you're bringing it at point A and the stone is going back on the surface of earth, when you are releasing, then the stone is going back on its own. You need not to take it on the surface of earth. So it means that stone has some energy due to which it's going back to the surface of earth. As you increase the height, let's say you come at point B, you come at point C, you come at point D. Okay. So when you are taking this stone at point A, B, C, D, so height of the stone is increasing. As height is increasing, there is increase in potential energy, and this energy is due to the position with respect to earth, right? Here WRT means with respect to earth. Now imagine if you want to write the formula of potential energy. So how you will write the formula of potential energy? To write the formula of potential energy, we can use PE is equal to mgh. What we can do? We can use the concept PE is equal to mgh. So what is this PE is equal to mgh? PE is equal to potential energy simply, and m is the mass of the stone or mass of anything which you are bringing at certain height, and g is acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. And h is height. Height from the surface of earth. Okay. So now if I want to solve a question related to this potential energy, we can create a very simple question. Let's say that question is question number 1 here, and question is a mass of 5 kg is brought to a height of 5 let's say I just wrote 50 meter, so let's say 50 meter above the surface of earth, surface of earth. Calculate its potential energy. Okay, so we have to calculate its potential energy. Now what we can do to calculate potential energy, we can use the formula. First of all, PE is equal to M into G into H, and near to the surface of earth G is 9.8 meter per second square, right? And this value is almost same everywhere on the earth. Okay, I'm saying almost same, though it varies with height and from place to place. So what I'm doing here now, I'm substituting the value PE is equal to the value of mass, which is 5, the value of acceleration due to gravity 9.8, into what is height now? Height is 50 meter. So we can do the calculation, and the calculation is if I use my calculator, let me use my calculator here because I want to be more precise. So here is the calculator, and by using calculator we can substitute the values. 5 into 9.8 into 50. Okay. Oh, I wrote here 5, the value is not proper, so let's do it again. 5 into 9.8 into 50, right? So now I think it's proper. Yes, so the answer which we are getting is 2450. So 2450. Now this is incomplete answer, because when you are calculating a physical quantity, there should be units. So what is the unit of gravitational potential energy? So unit of energy, whether it's kinetic energy and potential energy, gravitational energy or elastic potential energy, is joule. So we can write here the unit of gravitational potential energy as joule. So now our answer is complete, and that is 2450 joule is the potential energy of 5 kg of mass at a height of what? 50 meter. 50 meter, and mass is 5 kg.